It's a great day for keto. My name is Liftar, and I'm bringing you today's keto tip. Welcome. Today's keto bite, pre-planned keto diets and why they are necessary. Imagine this story. You've saved your money for years. Now you want to build a new house for your family. So you immediately just go start pouring concrete on the ground for the foundation. The concrete splatters everywhere, spreads out. Oh, you forgot to put the form to pour the concrete into so that it would have something to hold it. Next, you just start putting up walls. Where? Anywhere will do. You don't even know if the walls will be in the shape of a room. You just put them up randomly. How's your new house doing so far? Terrible. The foundation is useless. The walls are falling down. Why? You didn't have a plan. You just started out and hoped for the best. But even if you have a plan, it might be the wrong plan. If you wanted to have a small house and you have a plan for a big house, you're going to end up with what you didn't want. Keto meal plans are just like that. You need a plan. The plan has to be what you need, and it needs to be easy to follow. It has to give you the end result you want. In keto, you count carbs, you carefully plan macronutrients to be balanced in all the food that you eat, and you max out your protein intake. That's how keto works. It's not rocket science. The problem starts when you actually try to do all these things. It's easy for a nutritional scientist to lecture you on macronutrients, carbs, and proteins and how much of each. It's really hard to do it in the real world. For starters, you have to break out your math, which I'm terrible at, and that's one thing that can make you miserable every day alone. And then there's shopping. It's so expensive to track down and buy all that special food that you think you have to buy when that's not really true. For a lot of us, it's like an extra full-time job, and that makes us fail. It's too much. And then there's this quote from a keto expert. If you're using keto and you ever feel hungry, you're doing it wrong. What you need is a foolproof, simple, laid-out system, a system you can jump into day one and know that all the counting, figuring, and thinking has already been done for you. Even the shopping list is already done for you. I found a system that I highly recommend, and you can find it at this website. So write this down, rockthatketo.com/SK. It's rockthatketo.com/S as in Sam, K as in King. I'm not saying the name of the system because if you go Google it, you get about 8 million results. You won't know what you're looking at or where to go. So just go to that website, rockthatketo.com/SK, and you can be getting the results you're after in a couple of days from now. And I'm not kidding. It will start working really quick. And this is for adults of any age. Doesn't matter how old you are. You can do this and it can start working for you. And that's today's keto tip. If you enjoy these bite-sized tips, then come on over to rockthatketo.com and sign up for fabulous recipes, how-to tips, and inspirational stories of people who have lost weight or gotten healthy for the first time in their life. If you're ready to dive in and start losing serious weight, we have a foolproof 30-day plan all laid out for you. You can start losing weight today. Come on and check us out at rockthatketo.com, and we'll see you next time.